this trip brings me to an industrial, okay, over at Tagore Lane. So where am I? What am I here for? To pay a visit to Drone Matters. I heard it's not exactly a shop, it's just like a shop front, but you have to order via the website, and then you can come here to collect your stuff. So yeah, maybe I'll just drop by, see, look, and I'll show you guys what you can expect to see when you visit the store. Come here, see, look, in the end the damage is done. Okay, I'll go through with you guys what are some of the things that I bought, especially one of the one I've been looking for, the TBS Crossfire. So yeah, catch you later. Okay, so now back home. And as I promised, I'm gonna tell you what was the damage that happened over at Drone Matters. 38 mAh batteries. These are the batteries that I need for my tiny whoop. Okay, I bought 3 of them. Gave away a few stickers. X4R receiver and a few antennas with that. And since I keep breaking this the normal damn straps, I got myself a Drone Matters Kevlar strap. Got a few of them also because my friends were also asking for them. A smaller version of the X4R, which is a RXSR. More straps. Team Black Sheep Triumph antennas. Okay, they look like this. I think this is SMA, right? So in the box is only there will be 2 of this type of antennas, a set of pliers. These are not your average pliers. They're, let me just get them out. Okay, they may look like your usual type, but inside there are grooves here also. Let's see if you can focus there. Okay, see there are grooves here. It's especially useful for you if you want to take out screws, nuts that you have stripped the threads. You can use this, grip it and twist it out. And the best part, Team Black Sheep Crossfire micro system. Okay, there's 2 types, the micro and the normal one. Basically one goes up to 40 km, the micro, and then there is the normal one which can go up to 100. Of course the price is much different. Both are meant to be used on the Free Sky Taranis transmitter. You just plug it onto the back, do some settings and you're good to go. What's in the box? That's about it, right? Nothing fancy. Go and look up YouTube on how to set it up and all this. Of course the transmitter is nothing without its micro receiver. I don't know whether you can quite see this. I'm not ready to take it out from its packaging. The micro receiver is about the size of the plug. Okay, so yeah, it's about this length. So it's definitely compact, much more compact than its first version. Will I ever need 40 kilometers worth of transmission? I tried long distance with a normal quad, and this is what happened. having my lesson learned, I feel I wanna give long distance FPV a try, especially after watching Johnny do all his long range flights and some other pilots that have gone above the clouds. It's been a dream to do so. I'm not quite interested in planes, no offense, alright, it's just not my interest. So let's go on with quads. Okay, I'll fix it on either a endurance quad, something to go beyond the 10-minute mark maybe, or I'll just put it on a normal 5-inch quad and let's see how it goes from there. I have a problem. I see, I like, I buy. So that's the damage that you saw just now. Okay, so let's see if it keeps happening along my journey in the FPV world. Okay.